The excitement surrounding the Garmin FENIX 8 MicroLED smartwatch has reached new heights, captivating both tech enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. With its innovative features and cutting-edge technology, this smartwatch is poised to redefine the wearable tech landscape. However, recent insider information has unveiled significant delays and a higher price point than initially anticipated. In this comprehensive analysis, we will explore the reasons behind these developments, examine the exciting features of the FENIX 8 MicroLED, and discuss the implications for potential buyers. The FENIX 8 MicroLED is set to elevate this legacy by introducing MicroLED display technology, which offers superior brightness and energy efficiency. However, the journey to this groundbreaking technology has not been without complications. Engineers at Garmin have encountered unforeseen technical issues related to power consumption, heat management, and overall display performance. These challenges require rigorous testing and adjustments, which inevitably extend the development timeline. The integration of MicroLED display technology is a game changer for smartwatches. This technology provides exceptional brightness, deeper blacks, and improved energy efficiency compared to traditional display types. Users can expect vivid colors and enhanced readability. Even in direct sunlight, Garmin continues to prioritize health and fitness tracking in its wearables. The FENIX 8 MicroLED is expected to feature advanced sensors that monitor heart rate, oxygen saturation, sleep quality, and stress levels. As a leader in outdoor navigation, Garmin is set to elevate its GPS capabilities with the FENIX 8 MicroLED. The device is expected to include multi-band GNSS support, providing users with accurate positioning and navigation even in challenging environments. Battery life remains a critical consideration for wearable technology. The FENIX 8 MicroLED is anticipated to offer extended battery life, ensuring users can enjoy their adventures without the constant worry of recharging. Efficient power management is essential, especially with the new MicroLED technology. With the increasing demand for personalization in smartwatches, the FENIX 8 MicroLED is expected to offer customizable watch faces and a wide range of apps. As anticipation builds, so too does speculation regarding the price of the FENIX 8 MicroLED. Given the advanced technology and features being introduced, consumers may need to prepare for a steeper price point compared to previous models. The timing of the FENIX 8 MicroLED's release will play a crucial role in its success. Consumers are eager for innovative products, but they're also increasingly discerning about their purchasing choices. In summary, the Garmin FENIX 8 MicroLED is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to the wearable tech landscape. While the challenges faced during development are significant, Garmin's commitment to quality and innovation positions the FENIX 8 MicroLED as a compelling choice for outdoor adventurers and fitness enthusiasts alike. As we await its official launch, the excitement and anticipation surrounding this smartwatch continue to grow, with many eager to experience the innovative features and capabilities it promises to deliver. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or an outdoor explorer, the Garmin FENIX 8 MicroLED is poised to enhance your adventures and redefine your approach to wearable technology.